JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest price anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy the video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 41 with a custom diamond bezel, black index markers, and an oyster bracelet. I'm going to go through the case, the dial, the bracelet, and of course this fancy bezel here, and of course the movement. So diving right in, the case, it uses a Datejust 41 case, which means 41 from my index finger to my thumb, and it's not any different from the old Datejust 2 that was replaced in 2016, but the difference here is that the lugs, which is where the bracelet connects with the head of the watch, is thinner. Rolex made it proportionally thinner, and it looks better in my opinion. Now moving on to the movement, which is housed inside this oyster steel case with no marking on the back, is a 32-35 movement. It used to be a 31-35, which was used for like 20 years or maybe even more, but they replaced it with the 32-35, which is just a update to the older 31-35 movement. In what way is it better? Well, it has a longer power reserve, like a 70-hour power reserve, as opposed to the old 50-hour or so power reserve, and it's also more accurate, plus minus 2 seconds a day. So that's another reason why you should change your Datejust 2 to the Datejust 41. Now, moving on to the bracelet hasn't changed. It's still this brushed steel finish on the outside and polished links in the center. That's how Datejusts are, because they're kind of a dress watch. That's why you have this brushed and high polish. Now the clasp, which is the thing I'm about to open, is a folding oyster clasp. It's one push and it simply opens. Another push and it closes. Now let's talk about the bezel here. Now Rolex does not make this configuration in the Datejust 41. So you can't get it. They only make it with a smooth bezel, which we have, and they also make it in the fluted bezel. Now what we've done at JazzTime is we've removed the smooth bezel, which I'm going to show you. It looks like this. So it used to look like this, kind of boring, and what we've done is take off the bezel, as you see here. This is the actual bezel, and we put on this gorgeous diamond bezel. Now if you like it in this configuration, you want your watch to have a little bit more pop, well, come to JazzTime.com and buy it. If you like it with diamonds in the dial, we can also certainly do that too. In the configuration as you see it here, if you want to know the price, you click on the links below and it'll take you to our website where you can actually buy it. Now the bezel is a 3.1 carat, looks just like the factory. Well, when I say factory, I mean Rolex makes this bezel for their day dates. Their day dates are the expensive, $40,000 watches made in precious metals. They put those diamond bezels on it, but they don't put it on the base model steel ones. So if you want it, you gotta do it custom. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. I think the watch looks great. And if you think so too, and perhaps you'd like to own one, go to JazzTime.com and click on the Buy Now button, send us a wire, and we'll send you the watch.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.